My name is Mira. I was only 14 when my father died. My mother said it was a car accident, but I knew the truth. She compared him to a rich man every day. She pushed him to work harder. She made him feel small. She broke his mind. One night, his heart stopped while he was driving. He died on the spot. 3 months later, my mother wore a red dress. She put on her brightest lipstick. She smiled like nothing happened. And she went on a date with a rich man named Delton. Within weeks, she married him. Delton was charming outside, but cold inside. He had a son named Zach. He stared at me like he knew a secret I was not supposed to hear. We moved into Delton's mansion. Everything looked perfect, but soon my mother's health started to fall. She felt weak, she felt dizzy, she lost her strength. Delton acted like the caring husband. He brought her medicine. He told everyone he was saving her life. But I saw something different. One night, I walked into the kitchen. Delton stood over her soup. He was pouring something from a small bottle, a clear liquid. He mixed it slowly and he smiled. I froze. My stomach turned. My hands shook. I knew he was poisoning her. The next morning, I told my mother everything. "Mom, he is putting something in your food," I said. "I saw it." She looked at me like I was a stranger. She slapped me across the face, hard. My cheek burned. She shouted, "Stop lying. You hate him because he is rich. You want to ruin my marriage." I stood there, shocked. My own mother chose him over me. And behind her, Delton watched us with that same quiet smile. That night, he entered my room. He closed the door. "You talk too much," he said. "You make problems. You do not belong here." He told me he was sending me to a boarding school, far away. No visits, no calls, no connection with my mother. The next day, I was taken away. My mother did not wave. She did not call. She did nothing. I waited for her letters. I waited for months, but nothing came. Until one morning, the school principal called me to his office. His face looked heavy. "Mira," he said quietly, "your mother has passed away." My world stopped. My chest hurt. "They say it was her illness," he said, "but something does not match. Her organs failed slowly." I closed my eyes. I already knew. Delton had poisoned her, just like he planned. He took her money. He took her life. He took everything. And he sent me away so I could not save her. I walked out of the office with tears in my eyes, but there was something else inside me now. Something strong, something sharp. I lost my father, I lost my mother, but I did not lose the truth, and one day Delton will face it, because secrets don't stay buried, not forever, and I am coming back.